Noong nagpunta kami in Negros 2 months ago, particularly in Silay City, meron po akong natikman sa palengke na turon, pero ang kanyang feeling ay malagkit. My gosh, super duper good! Para siyang turon plus biko plus sinukmane, tapos may langka pa sa loob. So today, let's recreate turon malagkit. So, ang first step, nagsaing kami kanina ng malagkit rice. Just 2 cups. Actually, the quantity will depend kung ganong kadami yung pakakainin mo. Ito, enough to prepare mga 15 to 20 rolls. So, eto yon, sinaing namin siya kanina. Here it is. Ni-rice cooker ko na. 1:1 lang, ha? So, kung 2 cups yung malagkit rice, you put 2 cups of water and lutuin mo sa rice cooker. And then, over here, I have my gata. This is just coconut milk. Okay? Papakuluan ko lang yan with my muscovado sugar. Tunawin mo lang ng konti. Meron ako ditong langka. This is bottled langka, but of course, you can always use fresh that we've coarsely chopped, just around 1 cup. Okay, so once it's boiling like this, pwede mo nang ilagay yung malagkit rice paunti-unti. Para ka lang nagbibiko. Or here in Binyan, we call it sinokmani. If you don't have muscovado, you can just use plain brown sugar. Pero kasi in Negros, talagang muscovado yung ginagamit nila. Yun yung nagbibigay ng distinct flavor. Yung lasang native. So good. So ito, ang gagawin ko dito, isasangag ko siya para kumunat. I'm also going to put a pinch of salt just to enhance the flavor. Okay, so once na-feel mo na medyo makunat na siya, ayan, pliable na, turn off the heat. And then I'm just going to fold in the langka. This is just bottled langka. Why langka? Kasi 'di ba pagka turon, langka yung nilalagay. But you can also put other dried fruits, if you want, such as dried mangoes, pwede rin. Makapuno, yung nakaboteng makapuno, pwede rin yon. And then the next step here, itatapat ko siya sa electric fan or just leave it at room temperature in a cool room for around 30 to 60 minutes or until lumamig siya, bago natin ibalot sa lumpia wrapper. You can always prepare this ahead of time. Let's say, umaga mo gawin tong biko or sinukmani, tapos sa hapon mo gawing turon. Or kung ayaw mong gumawa nito, what you can do is you go to the public market or to your kakanin suki, bumili ka ng biko, tapos or suman, pwede din ang suman, balutin mo sa lumpia wrapper. But don't forget to put the langka and a little bit more of brown sugar. So, palamigin natin and ibalot natin maya-maya. Okay, so binabalot ko na yung ating malagkit. I just have here spring roll wrappers. Just brush it with a bit of water pag medyo nag-dry. And then around a tablespoon of your malagkit mixture and some muscovado sugar, and then you're ready. Balot mo na. Mabilis lang to just until mag-crisp and mag-caramelize since luto na naman yung ating filling. Okay, once it's golden brown, ayan, hanguin na. And then I'm going to keep on wrapping, balot-balot, and then frying. Our turon malagkit. Marami pa akong babalutin at ipiprito. At mamaya, tikman natin. Okay, so habang piniprito ko yung last batch na yan, hindi ko po niluto lahat ha. Yung iba kakainin ko na lang na biko kasi tinamad na po ako magbalot. This is just may parang sauce. Gumagawa lang ako ng sauce. Just equal amounts of coconut milk and muscovado sugar. You just bring it to a simmer. Para meron tayong dipping. Para social, di ba? Parang suman kasi ito eh. It's like a suman turon. You just cook this until it thickens. Turns into a sauce. You can also use just plain brown sugar. And then the sauce. Konting kulo pa para lumapot. And then this should be ready. Papalamigin ko ng konti itong ating coconut sauce. Bango, para siyang coconut jam na medyo malabnaw-labnaw. And then, tikman na natin ang ating turon malagkit. Okay, now, tikman na natin. Hahatiin ko sa gitna so you can see the inside. See? Umuusok-usok pa, my gosh. Let's try it ng siya lang, wala yung sauce. Ang init ha. Medyo napaso ako doon. Pero masarap. And ang ganda ng pagkakaluto natin ng biko. Kasi kahit mainit siya, ramdam ko yung kunat. And then this is the sauce. Pero mainit siya. So konti lang ang ilalagay ko. Tapos hihipan ko muna. Ibang level. It's like you're eating turon, suman, biko dahil meron itong sauce. So what are you waiting for? Gumawa ka na. This is definitely a perfect merienda or dessert this new year. Lagyan mo ng ice cream kung gusto mong may added texture and may pasiklab ka, di ba? Hot and cold. I'll see you soon.